Pink Floyd was a legendary rock band that originated in London, England, in 1965. The band consisted of members Syd Barrett, guitar, vocals, Roger Waters, bass, vocals, Nick Mason, drums, Richard Wright, keyboards, and later, David Gilmour, guitar, vocals. Pink Floyd's early music was characterized by psychedelic rock, which was heavily influenced by the counterculture movement of the 1960s. Their debut album, The Piper at the Gates of Dawn, released in 1967, was a critical and commercial success, and it quickly established them as one of the most innovative and influential bands of the era. However, the band faced a major setback when Syd Barrett, their lead guitarist and primary songwriter, began to suffer from mental health issues, and his behavior became increasingly erratic. Barrett's last show with the band was in January 1968, and he was eventually replaced by David Gilmour. Despite this setback, Pink Floyd continued to release critically acclaimed albums, including A Saucerful of Secrets, Metal, and Dark Side of the Moon. The latter, released in 1973, remains one of the best-selling albums of all time, and it cemented Pink Floyd's status as one of the greatest bands in rock history. The band continued to push the boundaries of rock music with albums like Wish You Were Here and The Wall. However, tensions within the band began to rise, and Roger Waters eventually left the group in 1985. Pink Floyd continued to tour and release albums without Waters, but their creative output was never quite the same. In 1994, the band reunited for a performance at Live 8, which was seen by millions of people around the world. Sadly, Richard Wright passed away in 2008, but Pink Floyd's legacy continues to live on through their music, which has inspired countless musicians and fans around the world. Pink Floyd's music is often characterized by its experimentation with sound, using innovative techniques and incorporating elements of electronic music, blues, and jazz. The band was also known for their elaborate live shows, featuring elaborate light shows, projections, and pyrotechnics. Pink Floyd's music has also been associated with social and political commentary, with many of their songs exploring themes of alienation, disillusionment, and the human condition. Their album The Wall was particularly notable in this regard, telling the story of a rock star's descent into madness and isolation. Over the years, Pink Floyd has received numerous accolades for their contributions to music, including induction into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame and a Grammy Lifetime Achievement Award. Their influence can be heard in the music of countless artists, and their iconic album covers have become symbols of the band's unique style and sound. While Pink Floyd may no longer be active as a band, their music continues to resonate with audiences around the world, and their legacy as one of the most innovative and influential bands in rock history remains secure. In addition to their music, Pink Floyd has also been associated with various cultural phenomena. For example, the band's music has been used in a number of films, including The Wall, which was adapted into a feature film in 1982. Pink Floyd's music has also been used in a number of television shows, video games, and advertisements, cementing their status as cultural icons. Moreover, Pink Floyd's influence can be seen in a variety of music genres, from progressive rock to electronic music, and their music has been sampled by hip-hop artists such as Eminem and Kanye West. Despite the passing of time, Pink Floyd's music remains as relevant and influential today as it was during the band's heyday. With timeless classics like Wish You Were Here, Comfortably Numb, and Money, Pink Floyd has created a musical legacy that will continue to inspire and captivate generations of listeners to come.